So this is 2018 and this is on paper 2 and this is question 5. So here we have the square ABCD has sides of length 7 centimeters. The vertices of the square are PQRS lie on the perimeter of ABCD as shown in the diagram with A to Q being 5 centimeters. So find the area of the square PQRS. So if you're looking to find the area of PQRS, the first thing that you need to do is find the area of ABCD, which is your large square. So the large square is a square, so it's length times width, and that is 7 times 7. So that's 49. Then what we need to do is we need to find the area of these small triangles, because if we find the area of the square and then find the area of the triangles, then we'll be able to just take them away to find the area of the square on the inside. So the area of the triangles, so if we do PQRS, or sorry, not PQRS, APQ, then that is half the base times the height, and there are 4 of them, so multiply by 4. So if we do 4 times a half by the base, which is 5, the perpendicular height, which is 2, because if that's 5 and that's 7, it's a difference of 2. So if you put that into your calculator, so you get 20, so that's 20 centimeters squared. So to find the area of the small one then, you just need to do 49 minus 20, and that gives you 29 centimeters squared. And that is worth 10 marks. For part B then, you've got the circles U and V represent 2 wheels that are free to rotate about their centers as shown. The radius of U is 4 centimeters and the radius of V is 6 centimeters. Find the length of the circumference of each circle. Give your answer in centimeters in terms of pi. So you're looking at the circumference. So in your formula tables, C is equal to 2 by pi by the radius. So C is equal to 2 by pi, and the radius of U is 4. So you multiply by 4. So to find the circumference, if you do 2 by 4 is 8, and you want it in terms of pi, so that's 8 pi, and that's in centimeters. Then they want you to find the circumference of V, so 2 by pi by the radius. So if you do 2 by pi, and the radius there is 6, so 2 times 6 is 12, so that's 12 pi centimeters. So that is your answer there. So this part and part 2 will be worth 15 marks in total. So for part 2 then, the wheels U and V are non-slip contacts, and therefore the rotation of one causes the other to rotate. So find the number of complete rotation wheels you make if wheel V completes 100 rotations. So if V does 100 rotations and you're trying to divide it by how many U does, so we know that V is 12 pi, and you're doing that 100 times, and then you're dividing it by the circumference of U, which is 8 pi, you'll get an answer of 150. So that's 150 rotations.